The Northern Galaxy Light Aurora projector is an exceptional gift choice, offering 33 mesmerizing light effects that transform any space into a celestial wonderland. Perfect for bedroom ambience or party atmospheres, its versatility caters to various occasions. The inclusion of white noises enhances relaxation, while the Bluetooth speaker adds a touch of entertainment, making it ideal for both serene nights and or lively gatherings. With remote control functionality, it's easy to adjust settings without interruption. This projector not only creates a visually stunning environment but also provides an immersive experience, making it a thoughtful and enjoyable gift for anyone seeking a touch of magic in their life. The Bluetooth speaker boasts exceptional HD sound quality, making it perfect for enhancing music experiences at home, parties, or outdoor gatherings. Its portable and IPX5 waterproof design ensures durability and versatility, ideal for beach outings or poolside relaxation. With up to 24 hours of playtime and TWS pairing capability, it offers uninterrupted entertainment. This electronic gadget isn't just about functionality, it's a thoughtful birthday gift that elevates the recipient's audio enjoyment. Whether they're an audiophile, a party enthusiast, or someone who loves outdoor adventures, this sleek black speaker delivers the gift of immersive sound and endless entertainment, enriching their everyday experiences. The Nacome Solar Garden Outdoor Statues Turtle, adorned with succulents and 7 LED lights, serves as a charming addition to any outdoor space. Its whimsical design not only enhances the aesthetics of patios, balconies, and yards but also provides a soothing ambience with its gentle illumination. This unique decor piece doubles as a thoughtful housewarming gift, bringing joy and warmth to new homeowners as they settle into their abode, creating lasting memories under the starry sky. The AERLANG Massage Gun stands out as a stellar gift choice due to its ability to deliver targeted muscle relief. Boasting deep tissue massage capabilities and offering 20 variable speeds, it ensures personalized comfort for effectively addressing back and neck tension. Its quiet operation ensures relaxation without disturbance, making it suitable for use at home, in the office, or even while traveling. With 6 interchangeable massage heads, it caters to a variety of muscle groups and specific needs. Moreover, the inclusion of a digital display and a convenient carrying case adds to its practicality, allowing for easy transportation and use on the go. Whether for athletes, fitness enthusiasts, or individuals seeking relaxation, this massage gun presents a thoughtful and highly beneficial solution for alleviating muscle discomfort and promoting overall well-being. The Luna Bean Hand Casting Kit offers a distinctive way to celebrate special occasions like Christmas, anniversaries, bridal showers, weddings, and engagements. This unique gift allows couples or loved ones to create lasting memories by immortalizing their bond with a personalized hand mold. Perfect for grandmas too, it captures precious moments to cherish forever. The kit provides a meaningful and creative activity, fostering deeper connections and heartfelt sentiments between individuals. With this thoughtful gesture, recipients can craft a tangible symbol of their love and affection, making it an unforgettable present that embodies the essence of their relationship. Looking for the perfect gift? I've handpicked 5 amazing products that are sure to impress. From tech gadgets to cozy essentials, my YouTube channel has it all. Whether it's for a friend, family member, or yourself, hey, you deserve it. These items are guaranteed to delight. And hey, if you're ready to snag one for yourself or someone special, check out the links in the description below. Don't miss out on the chance to give the gift of awesome. Click, shop, and spread the joy.